Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In the previous session, we have covered regular expression and user-defined function. So if you have any query in that, please comment me in the comment box so that we will resolve that. If you want to take some more examples, so we'll make video on that. So let's get start today's session, that is lambda function. We'll start this session. Lambda, this is the function. We'll take two variable. We'll add this two variable. Put this in A. We'll give the variable of x and y value over here 3 comma let's say 2. See what is going on in this function. Lambda is this is the function. Okay, this x plus y is the condition, and this x comma y, these are the variables inside this condition. Okay, one more thing, in the lambda function we can give only one condition inside this lambda function. We can't give the multiple condition, but we can give multiple variable inside the condition. Plus z we can add over here. Here also we can add z variable. Simply we have to give in number like this. So we can add multiple variable inside this condition, but we can give only one condition in the lambda function. In the one lambda function we can give only one condition. Our condition in this function, in this lambda function, that is x plus y plus z. This is the condition we have given here, and the variable we have given x, y and z. Okay, so for now I will remove this z. I'll remove 3 also. We'll execute this one. We got this 5. Okay, see, this is the function x plus y. This is the condition. X and y, these are the variables, and we have put this value 3 and 2 in this x and y. So we got this 5. This same output we can achieve from the DEF function, that is user defined function. So we'll take that example. Like DEF is the function, then we have to give the function name parenthesis, then we have to return some value like that is x plus y, then we have to assign the value that is x equals to 3 and y equals to let's say 2. Then we have to print the what we have to print the machine. Okay, to execute this one we got the same answer, that is 5. In DEF we have to write the multiple line of code, but if you use lambda function we can achieve this output in a single line of code. So this is the beauty of lambda. This is the beauty of lambda. We can achieve this output with a single line of code, but in DEF we have to write multiple line of code. So we'll take some more example. This lambda function, assume b equals to now assume a plus b. This time we will divide these two value. We'll print b. We'll give the value of a and b, let's say 10 and 2. We got this output 5.0 in the float format. Okay, take some more stuff like c equals to the, let's say assume x comma y. Do multiplication this time. Print c. We give the value of x and y, let's say 10 comma 2 x into y. Okay, we'll execute this one. We got 20, that is 10 into 2, that is 20. Okay, we got the answer. The next example we'll take with 3 variable. So assume t equals to the, we'll take 3 variable, that is x comma y comma z. Okay, we can give any condition. We'll give x divided by y, then we'll add this z over here, then we'll print t, we'll give the value of x, y, z. We can give 10, 4 and 6. We'll execute this one. We got this answer 8.5 in the float format. So this is the lambda function. I will explain one more time. This lambda is the function. This x, y and z are the variables. This variable we are using in our condition, and in the lambda function we can give only one condition. Okay, we can't give the multiple condition over here. And in the lambda function we can give the multiple variable. We can use multiple variable inside this condition. So remember this thing. We can't use multiple condition over here, but we can use multiple variable inside our condition. Okay, and simply we have to print this function. We have to give the variable. We have to give the variable number, that is 10, 4 and 6 variable value. We'll execute this one. We got this answer, that is 8.5. So this is the lambda function. If you have any query in the lambda function, please let me know, so that I will resolve this query in the next video. Thank you guys.